let's go for our new Righteous Music Artist Challenges and new spots in there. So now is the day for the Ever My Life and our new music artist album. We just come into our Righteous Music Artist. So this is gonna be a new a perfume that we do, our Righteous perfume. Righteous Music Artist album release it is coming there. What do you think, Master Brass Music? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I just wanted to. So now I'm gonna show you with this amazing order. The amazing order is this is a Krispy Kreme. I love this Krispy Kreme. I love it. Thank you so much for our Krispy Kreme. So make it for our Righteous Music Artist album release in there for our nations there. So now let's go unboxing this. So delicious. Yeah, let's try and take a test. Take a test for Righteous Music Artist. Righteous Music Artists, are you excited about our challenges there? Yeah! Test for Righteous Music and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go! Yeah. 100%. It's a 100%. It's a 100%. It's a 100%. Yeah. Love it, Master Brass. 100% this donut. You wanna see the donut? Also, you can get the other donuts that you want, and just to make it more percent or Righteous Music Artist. The donut is really out of Krispy Kreme with Righteous Music Artist. So let's just make it more sense. So thank you, Krispy Kreme donuts, for our Righteous Music Artist. Let's go to challenge. See you again. What donuts do you want to choose? One. Yeah, love it. Love it. Let's go. Let's taste the donut. Why? Why doesn't like this donut? Why, bruh? Alright, let's go.